Alright, hey everyone, welcome to this OBS tutorial thing on how to make your video cam look better. So right now this video cam looks completely horrible and bad, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can make this horrible thing look better. So first off, you're not going to change anything hardware wise, everything is going to be done on OBS itself. So here we are on OBS. I'm going to explain exactly how you're going to change this. So first off, you're going to want to go over to, okay, wait a second. Let me just not show you that screen. So first off, you're going to want to go over to whatever camera you're using. So here the camera's name is Camera. Very creative. I know. Camera, left click and go over to filters. So once you've left clicked on whatever device you're recording on and you go into filters, you can see that I've used 4 filters here. And the 4 filters I've used are the L.U.T, color correction, sharpen, and virtual cam. Virtual cam is for whenever I want to go over like to Zoom meetings and stuff. With this kind of setup, I use virtual cam, so it's not really important. 3 things you need. First off, LUT. Really easy, helps a lot. So here, LUT, you generally don't have it on your PC. You're going to want to download it. So I'm going to leave a link in the disk box, in the description box, that box right here. And there you're going to find, your link to downloading my LUT or downloading OBS's LUT. And once you've downloaded it, you can just click on browse and you'll find the teal, lows, orange, highs kind of LUT. Click on that, open that. It makes everything look better. Now, I honestly find this a lot better than the cinematic crashy look, but we have to manage how much of the LUT we want to be seen. Since this much is too much, so you're going to want to go or keep it at 0.95. Once you're done with that, color correction, you're going to want to just set it to default. And again, color correction, you're going to want to increase the contrast to around 25. So you can literally type in 25. I like to play around a bit. This one you're gonna gamma, you're gonna want to reduce it, to -5. -5 gamma, 20.25 contrast, brightness, reduce it once again to 0.5, -0.5. Saturation, generally increase it, but since we're using an LUT, decrease it to 10. No hue shift, opacity, LUT. Now I'm gonna raise it to 1. What's the problem? Okay, yeah. Sharpen, you're not gonna want to sharpen. So an overly sharpened image looks like this. And I'm gonna reduce it so it's a lot softer and looks something like this. I'm gonna close it, and boom, your video, your camera looks a lot more better. And that's how you record better videos on OBS. Thanks for watching. Peace.